Hello people! Today, we'll show you how to save a design created in Canva in PDF format in just a few steps. To start, open Canva in Google Chrome or any other browser you're using. There, you can create the design you want. We'll use a previously created design for this demonstration. Click on Share in the top right corner. Scroll down to the download option. Click on it. In the File Type section, you can choose which type you want to export. Choose PDF Standard. Click on Download. Save the document where you want, and that's it. We hope this video will be helpful to you. Follow us for more useful tutorials.